Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com, and today I have here for you another honest video. So we will do a review, a test for these Boss speakers. So I have purchased this MCBK625BA, super crazy name, but basically Boss speakers, pair of them with remote control. And in today's video, what you will find out, we will do very quickly unboxing. I'll tell you what's good and what's bad about installation, and what's good and bad about the sound. So we will play it on this parking lot, we will take it for a spin, and yeah. By the way, in case you are in the US, it's quite easy to get them. In case you're in Europe, it's a little bit more complicated, so you can find them on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. But as I said, honest review, I don't care. And last not least, 2 rules for 2022 videos. No bullshit around, straight to the point. And 2, no video ads. How cool is that? Now, enough of this. Let's get started. So let's do unboxing first. I mean, everything is nicely packed. First thing what I can see is like zip ties, and I can tell you, well, I was using a little bit more than it's included, but good manual, very like direct, I would say. But not really complicated installation. In case you need installation, I have separate video about that. Set of 2 speakers, remote control, and like I'll show it to you on the bike what you will really get. So these are I went with a black color. I think they have also chrome option. So you get a set of these. I have mounted it on rails, and what you will get, let me show it to you very quickly. So you will get these rubber things, like rubber inserts. So almost any kind of rail or handlebar, basically, you can mount them on. Also what you will get, it's something like this. So basically you can mount them on your end caps, or where are the end caps. And I think if you are getting a little bit creative and you have, like, of course not all of you have bike like tricycle like this where you can really plug it on many places, but you can get a little bit creative and you can find, you know, some other place where you can stick it on. Now what's next included, it's this remote control, so where you can play the music, go for a next track, or you know, raise and lower the volume. One thing I don't kind of like is because you are using a zip tie here, it's a little bit loose. So what I will do, after this video I will put twin tape in there, like 3M, so it will stick nice and easy there. What's next, like in terms of installation and cables, you need to plug it. I have a battery there, so you need to plug it directly to the battery. The cables are quite long enough for any kind of bike, so that's all fine. For me, what was a little bit tricky is just to move the cables around the dashboard and stuff like that, so that was just a little bit tricky. And in terms of positioning the speakers, you can rotate them how you like, so that's great thing. However, I don't like it because you need to really unmount this ring, and then there is a screw that allows you to, you know, lose this and rotate it, and it's quite, oh, not quite complicated, but a little bit complicated. So this is in terms of like installation. These speakers are like you can connect via Bluetooth, or you can connect. Bluetooth connection was very easy. It starts to blink after I turn the ignition on, and pairing it's super simple. I have Samsung, so it was also Android. It was very easy. What you have also is you have this female connection or connector for your jack. So you can use that in case you have holder here, or you can move it anywhere else. So that's a great thing. So in terms of installation and unboxing, this is pretty much it. And now let's hear it. All right, so now let's hear it. And by the way, you are on a parking lot like this. So very open and big parking lot. It's a little bit windy, but it should be fine. Proper test. And you will hear the sound through my mic, so not through the camera mic. I will play Spotify. Of course, I will go through different tracks because of YouTube policy, doesn't matter. And the Spotify, it's on something like 75%, so volume on the phone is only like 75%. Now what I like And also, it's a good thing and it can be a bad thing, is that you can turn on this thing like speakers because they are directly plugged into your battery, so you can turn them on and you know, play them anytime you want. On the other hand, they can drain your battery, right? So just be careful about that. And before I hit play, in case you would like to rent any of these, tourzone3.com, the coolest tour and rental agency in the world. We are based in Bratislava, Slovakia. Who don't know where it is like 40 minutes of driving from Vienna, Austria. You know, Vienna, the historical city. Just saying, guys, and we are specializing on super cool tours. Now let's hear it.
When it's just you, well, times can be tough.
We will not comply with the institutions. Sick illusion, no, it won't be terrified.
I think it's pretty good. Definitely you can play disco. Very good. Let's raise the volume. Maximum. Good. All right, I can't play more music because just simply YouTube will notice it and I can get in, not really into trouble, but they can, you know, cancel my video. Now the thing is, what I have found out, in case you have a really strong basses, these speakers will not super cope up with that thing. But in general, in case you would like to, I don't want to say throw a party, but you would like to play a little bit of music on the parking lot or whatever, this is plenty.
Kick it with me, I can blow your life. You look good, girl, show you right. Trey told me you the prototype. I can make you a celebrity, yo, why not? Play something these hoes are like. Try rips, I know they like. Twister, you told her right. Make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice.
Now, let's take it for a spin and you will hear it in different sounds. I'm wearing Schubert, so very good helmet. It's flip-up helmet. I'm very curious how it will work with that kind of helmet, you know? So let's do that. All right, guys, so let's go for a ride. So we're going around 90 and I can hear it very well. My bike don't have any windshield, so that's a great thing. And still, now I'm on the loudest, and I can hear the music very well. I'll switch the music. Oh, being rude a little bit.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today's steady gunning, keep on busting at the boots. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go at your homie. I'll leave you, cut your young ass up. Leave you in peace. Now be deceased. Little kid, don't fuck around with.
Alright guys, so what's really the experience about these Boss speakers? You know, it's important to say that I don't have a windshield. On the other hand, I don't have a proper exhaust. These RYKERs without like aftermarket exhaust, they sound like more lower more than motorcycle. So there you go. And so the experience is, in case you're just cruising through the city, hopefully you can hear it. I mean, plenty of music, and up to, let's say, 90 kilometers an hour, 100 kilometers an hour, and I'm quite close to those speakers. You'll be all fine, and you will listen, you will hear every word, and you can, you can dance. Well, in case you will be on the highway really riding, and I'm not saying I went over 120 or 30 through the city, that would be irresponsible. But then you stop, then the speakers would need more power in order for you to hear it well. Also, everything depends on the kind of helmet that you have, and I have the Schubert. It's a flip-up helmet, so not the quietest one, but it's quite good helmet, right? So, so this is kind of an experience. Up to 90 kilometers an hour, up to 100 kilometers an hour is all good. And I'm thinking, like, we need to switch the music because of the YouTube, but like everybody, like nobody's turning head now, but when I was in the city, the people were turning their heads around, so it's really, really noticeable, and the music, it's loud, so final words. So what are those final words? In general, am I happy or am I not? For my tour and rental agency, for this RYKER, it's gonna be plenty, or it is plenty. The thing is, it will depend what type of rider you are and what type of bike you have. The downside of my bike or of this Mrs. Beats is that it doesn't have windshield, and why I don't want to have windshields on my bike. Only one bike has windshield, and Mrs. Beats will be not it. So in case you have a windshield, you might hear the music even in higher speeds. Now, in terms of, on the other hand, in case you have louder exhaust, I don't know. With louder exhausts, I cannot imagine to run it on the beast. It's simply, maybe when I will be standing still with that crazy exhaust that I have and cat delete, and maybe going up to, like, I don't know, 20 kilometers an hour. I don't know. But in overall, I mean, I love the quality, I love the sound. It doesn't have any buses, so not any. It has some, but in case you would like to have buses, you need subwoofers or whatever. It's loud enough. One thing I really don't like, and again, especially because this is tour and rental agency bike, and there might be a switch that you can probably add. I need to think about it, but what I'm trying to say is it will not turn off automatically. I tried to hit pause and I turned off the Spotify and it was still on, and it's quite hard to see it because it just blinks right over here. So that's kind of a downside for me. But overall, I love those speakers. In case you would like to get them, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And now this is it. I need to get working on where it is on that bike. So stay tuned on that, and remember, have the speakers or not, whatever makes you happy, and always have fun.